Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys. I'm going to show you a very quick and efficient way to do the famous miracle knot hairstyle using a half wig and the feather crochet hair. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, turn your notification bell, and without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. So as you guys can see, I'm starting with the front of my hair braided like you would braid your hair for the miracle knot hairstyle, just doing simple single braids. Now my hair was previously twisted, as you can see at the back, but I'm just going to braid my hair down, like literally braid the twist down and put a wig cap on it. The braids don't have to look good, just do something you can put a wig cap on. So the hair that I'm using is the 20 inches Burmese curly 250% density half wig. It also comes with 2 rings of feather crochet hair, also in the texture Burmese curly. So these are all the things that come with the hair: wig caps, bands, crochet needles, brush for your edges, all of that good stuff, and also an instruction manual for the wig as well. So this is the wig. I'm taking it out of the pack. This is the half wig. As you guys can see, it comes with combs. This is the Burmese curly texture. The first thing I noticed was how soft this hair is, and there's barely any shedding. So these are the attachment combs that you use to attach the wig to your hair for extra security. There's also an adjustable band and also a strap as well. So yes, the wig will be very secure on your head. So these are the 2 rings of feather crochet hair that I'm going to be using for the front. So now this wig is so easy to attach. You literally just slide it onto your hair with the combs. Honestly, this process is much faster than doing the miracle knots on the single braids all over your head. So if you're looking for a quicker alternative, this is definitely it. You put on the half wig at the back and just do the miracle knots method, crochet method in front. So now I've put on the half wig and this is what it looks like. Like I said, this hair is super soft, barely any shedding or tangling, and it's very full as well. I like the volume of the half wig. So now let's work on the front pieces. As you guys can see, I've done one side just to get a feel of how it will look and the process. Now the feather crochet hair comes in rings like this, and they're also good for storing the feather crochet pieces. So this is what they look like. I'm going to be taking one of the feather crochet strands like this, and then I am going to be attaching it to my braids. A lot of people use the crochet method, but I personally like to use the loop method to attach the hair to my braids. I already showed you guys how to do this in a previous video. The loop method for me is much safer and much quicker to do. And you can kind of control where you put the hair pieces. If you want to put them higher on the braid or lower, just depending on the look that you're going for. Also, you can control the fullness too, how many pieces you want to put per braid. I'm doing about 1 to 2 pieces per braid because I wanted them to be the same length as the half wig hair. So at the end of some of my braids, I am braiding the crochet hair, the feather crochet hair into my braid. Okay, so I am done attaching the feather crochet hair in front, and that is basically how you do this hairstyle. Now I'm going to be defining the curls of the half wig, just so that any flyaway pieces or any frizz will be tamed down with some mousse. So as you can see, I'm taking piece by piece. I'm going to be applying some mousse, and then I'm just going to brush through the section. And you guys will see how easy it is for me to brush through the section. The brush literally just slides through the hair like butter. See? You can also define the curls on the feather crochet hair in front as well, but I liked how fluffy they looked, so I just did only the half wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just go put some makeup on, so I'll come and show you guys the final look. But like I said, this is the 20-inch Burmese curly 250% density human hair half wig with 2 rings of Burmese curly crochet braiding hair, feather crochet braiding hair. This hairstyle turned out very gorgeous. It's very quick to do, very fast, very convenient. And this will also make a great vacation or even summer hairstyle as well. All the information for where you can get the hair is going to be down below in the description box. So please make sure you check that out. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments and I'll try my best to answer. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below or my face on the screen. Also, do not forget to watch my other hair videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.